the streets of Los Santos town. In my rusty old pickup, I'm racing around. Got Trevor riding shotgun, a wild-eyed grin. This ain't the kind of life we were born to win. Oh, it's fast cars and chaos, a Wild West dream. Living out the madness of a pixelated scheme. From the desert to the city, where the bright lights glow. Life in Los Santos is the only life I know. Pulling off a heist with Franklin at my side. Michael's got the plan, and we're ready for the ride. Police sirens wailing as we tear through the night. Dodging all the lawmen, keeping out of their sight. Oh, it's fast cars and chaos, a Wild West dream. Living out the madness of a pixelated scheme. From the desert to the city, where the bright lights glow. Life in Los Santos is the only life I know. Got
All right. Got a good showcase for everybody tonight. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 scripts to showcase. Most of them are already have been released. Some of them are still work in progress. What? What's it? Yeah, I was about to say. Oh, this little fucking thing on the top here, I gotta figure out why it's doing that shit. Alright, so I connect to the server. SRP apps are still open if y'all are interested. Link is in the description. Feel free to join the server. So the ones that are currently released, I gotta do one of them I gotta do a demo showcase, and the other one I gotta do an updated demo showcase. let's see. The first. The first script we're gonna do once we get in a game. Either I'm tripping out or am I hearing fucking gunshots? What the fuck? I'll be right back. That was fucking strange. Alright. Whoops. Start the Alright. Why is it? It's that one out. Go ahead and start recording. Alright, we're gonna do the JM-MN menu update. Alright, so I'm recording. Alright, hello everybody, this is John of JM Modifications. Today I'm going to showcase y'all the JM admin menu 1.0.2 update. So, it's not a lot in this update, but I made it. I finally figured out. I finally fixed the issue where when you click on a button, the sound doesn't play. But with this new update, the button sound will play. So let's go ahead and bring up the admin menu by doing the flush command. And then, come on, slow ass fucking keyboard. Flash admin menu. Hear a little boom. That's the new sound. Alright, everything's still the same, but right, everything's working. Alright, for this example, if I go to server, I really need to disable the fucking vehicles when I do these showcases. Oh, come on with the shit. What the fuck just happened? Fuck y'all. Oh, stop that recording. And there we go. And the goddamn fucking preview shit is frozen. Well, goddamn. Never recording that damn updated demo. I just want to know why it fucking opened up two FiveM applications. Which is really fucking strange. Go ahead, connect again. Alright, so trying to showcase the new updated JM admin menu version 1.0.2. Let's see here, we got 11 scripts I gotta showcase. Most of them are already released. ignore this top right here, and that's a script I'm still working on. Oh, that's what the fuck to say. Alright. I'll explain to y'all what the is about the mini map. Oh, this time you didn't want to do it. Oh, come on, you fucking bastard. There we go. Gotta do this again. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna have to do it without recording. Alright. I'll just download the stream and edit it. Alright. Hello everybody, this is John of JM Modifications. Today I'm going to showcase y'all the new updated JM-PedSpawner version 1.0.2. So basically, in this update, in this update, I have finally fixed the issue where it won't play the button sound with the included button sound effect. So I did fix it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the menu by doing the /mm menu. Once you open up, it will play that sound effect, what you just hear. I'm gonna go to the server and test this out. I'm gonna change it to 12:30. When I hit save time, it'll play that sound effect like that. And boom. Everything else is pretty much the same. If you're using so in order to get this to work correctly, you need if you're using QB Core, you need to do /admin, go to player management, and select the person you want to give admin perms. Click on there, go down to permissions, group, admin, then confirm. That is the only solution to get that menu to work correctly. That is a temporary solution. I'm still figuring out why it's not recognizing the permission when it's set in the server config. So, other than that, all the thing I care about was getting that button sound effect to play when you click on a button. So that's that one. So yeah, jmmodifications.debex.io. Alright, so now we're gonna do hopefully this time I got and somehow my pimping script is not working correctly. Trying to add walking in the distance. But whatever. I'm gonna have to rewrite the script anyway. Alright, so another script that's currently work in progress is the JM-TrunkHide script. So you have the ability to hide in the trunk. If I can, my TrunkHide script ain't working. You can hide in the trunk. Fucking course. What you're hiding in the trunk, and it's not supposed to clip like this. What you're hiding in the trunk, you'll have muffled audio. There's two ways to get out. You can hit the default G key, which is findable in your key binding settings, key bindings, FiveM, and you just scroll down to see JM-TrunkHide. H-I-J. Right here. By default, it's going to be the G key. You can change it right there. To exit, you hit G, or you do command exit trunk. Then you're out. And of course, I don't know why it's not disabling that muffled audio. Put a console right here, see what the issue is. Scripter, JM-TrunkHide client, Lua 27 knows such as export, get core object, and resource key core. What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. Well, this is fucking lovely. As you can see, I am working on JM-PedSpawner version 2. I'm working on personal stripper. Working on a AI taxi service script. Working on a cart collector script. Still messing around with those fucking thing. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stop the resource. TrunkHide. Oh, that's why. I hate when it does that shit. Dude, I seriously gotta fucking relog. Okay, it's whatever. Like I said, it's a work in progress script. Try to figure out why it's doing that shit. Alright. So the thing about the minimap, what I'm working on is a modern simple HUD. So that is the JM-SimpleHUD script. It's a more modern version of the FiveM version of SimpleHUD, but it's inspired by it. It's not an exact ripoff of that script. This one is more modern, and you got like the background is like capacity, so you can see the text a little bit better. But you can toggle it on by doing /command SimpleHUD. It'll toggle it off. You want to enable it, you do this command again. Boom. Cool. And the best part, you can set the AOP. If you do the command set AOP, then space, let's say we're going to do Los Santos. and hit enter. And boom. As you can see there, I'm not sure if y'all can see it. There you go. At the bottom of the direction and time, it says right there, Area of Patrol, Los Santos. Now if we set it to Blaine County, it'll change it to Blaine County. How cool is that? To clear it, you do command /clear AOP. It'll clear out the AOP. I think it's a little bit ready to be released. And the postals is based on OCRP, but you can change the postals. I believe you can change the postals as long as you follow the format. Alright, the next one we're going to do is the PedSpawner. Hello everybody, this is John of JM Modifications. Today I'm going to showcase y'all the PedSpawner script. So this is a little script I came up with. And it's a little fun menu. It's a little fun script to have. So let's go ahead and open this up by doing the /PedSpawner. You get this little nice little modern menu here. If you go to one of these sections here, it'll highlight. Got a nice little smooth animation to them. At the bottom here, you got instructions and tips. If you open that top, click on that. It gives you instructions and tips, how to use the menu, and the important notes right here. This is really important. Please read the important notes. That's why I have it built into the menu for y'all to look at. Tells you the warnings and what the compatibility and other issues may have with the script. Alright, so we're gonna spawn, and this PedSpawner script does support add-on pets. So you can be able to spawn a add-on pet. So for example, we're gonna do Slender Man. We're gonna then go to weapons. You can select which weapon you want. We're gonna give him the combat pistol. Let's see here. I'm gonna look at the pornos. Scenario mode is not compatible with bodyguard, driver, attack NPCs, or carjack mode. Carjack mode compatible with continuously steal vehicles, not compatible with driver, bodyguard, or scenario modes. We have guard mode. We're gonna have them attack NPCs. And once you're good with that, you can go ahead and click spawn ped. Oh shit, here we go. How cool is that? And it does support notification systems like OK Notify. Okay, so that's a little bug there. It will do that. Just be aware that it will tend to be buggy. I'm still working on why it won't go to another pet. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Alright. You can add as many pets as you want, just be careful how many you spawn. Let's see. He should follow you. Yep, get over here. Oh, there we go. Once you're satisfied with the with the to make them disappear, you do the command in the pet spawner and you just click delete all, and they get deleted. How cool is that? Alright, that'll be. This is available on JM-Modifications.tibx.io. If you like the script, good. Feel free to mess around the script to your heart's content. Just be careful on how many pets you spawn. Just saying. JM-Modifications.tibx.io. Alright, what else we got on here? We did the SimpleHUD, we did the TrunkHide, we did the pet spawner, we did the menu update, the priority status update. So the new update, in the previous update, it will have priority on by default. I went ahead and modified it to where priority is ready, and modify the commands. So to change the priority, you do /priority toggle. There you have it. Got priority on. Switch it back to ready. You do the same command again, priority toggle, and you got priority ready. And somehow I couldn't. Somehow the cooldown. You do the cooldown and /cooldown and space and start. And there you have it. You got a countdown. And yes, the cooldown timer can be modified in the config. Everything's customizable in the config. To stop it, you do the /cooldown. I think it's end or stop. Yep, it's end. You'll get the, and we'll go back to natural state. How cool is that? In the next this upcoming update, the background will be removed because I don't like that background, but the pulse effect will stay. All right. JM-Modifications.tibx.io. We did that. Alright, the JM-NoPistolWhip. Alright, so in this showcase, I did create a rage plugin for LSP for GTA single player where it disables the annoying pistol whipping when you're trying to shoot at something or someone and somebody accidentally crosses your line of fire. When you try to reload, you accidentally pistol whip them. I was able to convert that into FiveM. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get me a weapon, which I do have on me. I'm gonna grab my gun here. And ignore they are the logo is called 911 script. What the fuck? Get your fucking Jewish ass back in my car. Get out of here. Oh, let's see here. I'm gonna see here if I can try to go up to her. And when I try to press reload, ain't gonna do it. Let's see here. Oh, it's three. Let me move some of this shit out of here. I need to go where there's a bunch of NPCs here. I think it's down by the beach here. Let's go over here. There should be a bunch of people here. Anybody on the beach? What the fuck? Oh, there'll be a bunch of people here on the beach. Oh, there's somebody. Right there. Alright, I'm gonna go up for him, and... That's not what I wanted. Shit. Oh, perfect. Oh, you calling the cops? You calling the cops? Well, it doesn't accidentally pistol whip them, but it works. So, I think the script is ready to be released. Yeah, it'll be a free script. There is no point of marking it as a paid script. There's no point of it. If it's really helpful, I'll release it for free. And my phone just died. Because I need to see what script I gotta... Oh, I know what the other one was. The Road Rage script. So, this is John of JM Modifications. Today I'm going to showcase y'all the NPCRoadRage script. So, I've been, the past few weeks I was, or should say past few months, I've been thinking about I was trying to look for a script where you can actually have actual, road rage like in real life, but I couldn't find a script, so I took it upon myself to create the script, and obviously it works well. So I'm gonna showcase y'all that. So we're gonna go ahead and grab us a car. So everything in the config is configurable. There is a chance. Get that thing to shut up. There is a chance where they'll stop, get out of the vehicle, and there's a chance they will get out of the vehicle, then get back in the vehicle and drive away. There's a chance they're gonna end up finding you. There is a chance they can have a weapon. So if we go to the Rage, not the Rage console. What the fuck? There is in the config. There's 13 blacklisted weapons. You can add as many weapons in the blacklist as you want. It's all configurable. So let's go ahead and... So I'm gonna grab my controller here. Alright, so we're gonna try to get on the interstate here. And there is a chance they'll get out of their vehicle and start shooting your ass. So I'll show you. And it does require you to have a database. So let's go start some road rage. See if I ran this vehicle. And there you go. There's the one chance. And there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. And I'm dead. And they has to fuck away. Alright, so that's that one. Oh, shut up. See, they'll get out and get back in. And there it is. They'll come to your vehicle and pull you out. And there is a chance where you're gonna... Oh shit, that one got a hatchet. No! Grab your weapon, grab your weapon. So this is your chance to defend yourself. Shit. shit. Reload, 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 reload. Actually, it's... Oh, dude, got that, dude. Dude, fucking reload your fucking... But how cool is that? As you seen there, so I don't know why it will get a bunch of random NPCs to fight you. But it works pretty well. I kind of like how this script turned out, to be honest. Let's see if we can start in our Road Rage script. Road Rage. Nope, that one just ended up being dead. Oh shit. Repair, 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 repair. Damn it. Thank you. Let's see if we can find somebody to ram. Somebody to piss him off. There we go. Oh! Yep, he's gonna come out and fight me, and he's got a fucking hammer. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. And you got another... Oh, I shot him in the dick. Out of bullets. Get out of here. Get out of here. I help myself. But other than that, it's a really fun, cool script. You actually got NPCs road raging at your ass. So, this is gonna be a paid script. I like how it turned out pretty well. For pricing, I'm gonna say $29.95. But when I go to launch the script onto my T-Back store, I will do a 20% discount, launch discount, where you can get 20% off. But if you want to have some road rage in your server, this is the script for you. JM modifications.tbex.io. Like that. Go. Let me go. I got my thing here. I got two. Alright, who ping me now? Now I forgot what. Oh, the simple pet menu. Okay, that was the other one. Alright, so I was able to convert my simple pet menu from single player to FiveM. I'll show you how that works. Let's go somewhere on the beach here. I think this should be perfect. So, the keybind is configurable in the settings menu. You go to your pause menu, go to settings, go to key bindings, then you want FiveM, then scroll down till you see JM-SimplePedMenu. Y'all's key bindings is gonna be different from mine. Right there. By default, it's gonna be like F9, F7. Is the keybind is toggleable, changeable. So to open up the menu, we'll do this command/ped menu. And it's bring up this little key menu, which I preferred. And it's the same thing as the single player options, but most of it is disabled, have been removed due to FiveM limitations. You can set your armor, you can heal yourself. If I set my armor, I get armor. If I open the menu again, I can spawn a vehicle in. You can choose a preset one, or you can enter the model name in here. So if I go here and I'll type in the Taurus, which is my add-on vehicle for my server, I'm gonna go ahead and spawn the vehicle. You should be able to. Yep, you'll spawn directly right in the vehicle. Yep, it does support add-on vehicles as long as you know the spawn code for it. You can change your pet model. You can choose one from a list or enter the model name yourself. Just to let you know, if you do have one sync enabled on your server, it will, most of the pets that you see in story mode will not be able to spawn, which includes the vanilla cop peds, the MP3 mode ped, Tracy DeSanta, you can't spawn her due to one sync issues. But if you don't have one sync, they should be able to spawn in. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter a pet model name. Let's see here. Let's do. I know you can spawn Jimmy DeSanta. If I type out his pet model name, which is IG_Jimmy DeSanto, and set my pet, I actually changed it into him. It does work. If you want to go back to your main character model, you just, I know for QB core is refresh, I think it's refresh skin. Yeah, refresh skin for QB core. I'm not sure what it is for standalone or ESX. If I do refresh skin, I'll go back to my normal pet model. But other than that, it's a cool script. So this will be, as far as I know, I just gotta make a few tweaks, then it should be good for release. Alright, the next one is, I know it's JM-TrafficControl. Alright, so I made my own version of my the traffic control script, which is inspired from Big Daddy's traffic control script, but it's my own version. It's just an inspiration. So I think I'm gonna go to the main highlight right here. I'm gonna open up the menu by doing /traffic. I believe it's traffic menu. Yep. You'll get this nice little UI here. You can place a cone, place some cones. You can place a traffic divider, place a road barrier. You can clear up props or delete the nearest prop. And the trick to the script here is you gotta get it at the right angle. So we're gonna go ahead and spawn this in here. I'm gonna delete the nearest one. I'm gonna do the divider type 2. Once you place a prop there, they will slow down to the props. If I do again, I'll do cone here. And I'll just keep hitting the enter button. I'm just gonna make a little small lane closure. Yeah, you're just gonna have to walk. And they will be going around the cones like they should be. And it's a little janky when they try to go around the cones. I'm still trying to figure out why it's doing that. But I did do my best ability as much as I can, and sometimes they will fucking do that shit. Because they don't know how to fucking drive. Clear all props. And they return to their normal speed. It's like almost 1 o'clock. I believe that's everything I covered. Let me double check and make sure that I covered everything. Because I literally don't remember. So far I did the let's see. TrunkHide, SimpleHUD. I was gonna showcase this, but I'm having issues with the damn script. But we can test it out. So it's the AITaxiService and JM hookers. That's the other one. Okay. Alright, bet. So the AITaxiService, just to let you guys know, this is a work in progress script, so this is not final. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do this in game, showing you all the like demo showcase. I've been trying to test this off stream, but got no luck. And won't do the /taxi because that is the command to call a taxi. But it's whatever. Okay, so that's a no-go. Alright, so JM hookers. It's a little bit different from the pimping script. So by default they're gonna spawn at the vanilla unicorn here. Right now this is where they're gonna be. I'm working on more locations for them. I'm gonna add a blip to them. So once I get this work correctly as I want it to be, and it should be good to go. It does not require you to have it does not require a database, so you're good there. So it does support QB target. I am working on adding aux target support. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click and talk. And you got 3 options. And there's a rep system, like JM pimping. You got a quick visit, which costs you $250. And the other one options are locked, because you need a certain amount of rep to unlock those. And those other options are between $400 to $650. We're gonna do a quick visit here. Once you click one of those options, you'll get your screen will go black, like a few seconds, like it's doing right now. This script is safe for work, so don't ask for a non-safe work version, because I tried everything. Make a non option though. And there you go, you finish your time together, you pay $250, your rep score is now up to 4. And the ped will change the ped each time you load in the server. Once you restart your server, it will spawn a different ped each time. But it's a little fun script. I just still gotta tweak a few more things, and it should be good for release. So I'm not sure what the ETA on this is gonna be, but I'm aiming for February 28th release. If I get everything working correctly as I want it, as I feel that is right, I will release it sooner. So if you want to know when these upcoming scripts that I'm showing you, or these I'm showing you on stream, you can join my Discord, and there are designated channels where you can see the release dates for these scripts. Oh, I do want to mention, for the JM-PedSpawner script, there is an app, which is the escort rep, which is I was able to get this to work with the QB phone. I am aiming towards the LB phone support. Right now, I do not have that phone resource at the moment, but I always wanted to switch over to LB phone. So here's the app for the QB core phone. Click here. This one's light pink, and this one that's a work in progress is a darker pink. If you open that up, you get like a little QB menu, and you can see all the information. There is you do get it shows you your last incident, shows you your current reputation points, and you can get some good clients at a discounted price, or if you go to VIP, there is a surcharge on services for VIP. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, it works. Alright, I believe that's everything I have to showcase. I'm sorry that some of these scripts are not working as I intended before the stream, but I am still, like I said, I'm reworking the JM pimping script. But other than that, look how everything turned out. But some of these scripts have its quirks, but I am doing my best to get them to. I'm working hard on these scripts just to get it to right where I want it to be. Alright, so other than that, that is gonna be it for this demo showcase. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow for some LSPD afar. Take care, have a good day. Or have a great night.